What is going on, everybody? It is Tanto Tuesday, and this week I got a little bit of a blue theme kind of going on, so let's get to it. This week we are carrying, obviously, the new Redeem Creations Topo slider wallet. As you can see, I've already got some scratches on there, so something tells me that this will patina and break in very nicely, and as you can see, it already pretty much is. Obviously, I took my real wallets out. You can see, obviously, where the old cash is inside here, and I got my, little Giant Eagle shopping cards here, and obviously that's where my ID would typically be. So, and this is about how I have it packed in. Like I said, I have my ID on this side, and I keep two of my mostly used, and well, pretty much only used credit cards, unless I'm out doing some knife shopping, and then maybe I'll carry an extra card for that. But other than that, this is kind of pretty much how it is, and you can see it's got a little thickness to it, but otherwise pretty minimalistic and carries pretty good so far. Enjoying it, and the slider aspect really makes it quick and easy for me to get to a credit card when I'm getting lunch or something like that. So, and then of course my little Fidget. I do love this little fan slider, magnetic slider. When I'm bored, want to kill some time, burn some stress off, whatever. Super fun, obviously blue themed, along with everything else this week. No particular reason, just going a little bit of a blue theme. So there's the fan slider. Very much enjoying that. Breaks in very nicely. Tie 2 design BoltLiner pen. Bolt action, obviously. Very cool pen. Probably not really necessarily my favorite pen, but it's a very nice pen. Very super light. Got a nice bolt action to it. Super fidgety too. So if I'm bored, I can fidget with that too, obviously. Got a nice grip section up here. Obviously, we have the drafting style tip, which makes it good if you really need to see your tip. So, very cool. It's got a nice bluish anodized aspect to it. And the knife of the week is the Ontario Knife Company Tie 22. This knife is a great little budget knife. Super smooth action. Nice flipper. And this is actually comes in a bunch of different colors now. They do have a gold version. I think there's a few other versions too. So carries very good. Carries fairly deep in the pocket. It's obviously a frame lock. And I've flipped this knife a lot, and it's taken a lot to really go anywhere. So you can still see we're still very much about 22%, give or take. Haven't really used this on anything super heavy duty. Mainly opening the beef jerky bag. Typical little EDC task. It hasn't really seen a lot of abuse or action in such a thing. But this is another great light carry. Fairly slim in the hand. My medium hand. You can obviously see. And a lot like the Tie 2 BoltLiner. Very light. Very EDC friendly. And just really a good overall carry. If you're looking for some light, affordable things, this Tie 22 definitely is in the ballpark. So there you guys go. That is it for today. That is my Tanto Tuesday carry. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are carrying. And have a great day, guys.